There are many kinds of agricultural waste materials, but here we are looking for waste materials that can make cat litter clump together, not just absorb water well. So, what we are looking for is waste meal. In this project, we have found both new raw materials and new production processes for making cat litter.
Cat litter is an important article for cats, especially for cat owners who live in apartments or condos and have to flush used litter down the toilet. The cat litter that is currently popular among people is the cat litter that is made from bentonite or volcano rock. These two materials have the ability to clump well when exposed to water far from the organic cat litter made of tofu, pine, and cassava because they have the advantage of being biodegradable and flushable. However, there are still few organic cat litters produced in Thailand, and most of them do not clump well.
Pattani people are so passionate about raising cats. Besides, in the deep south, we have a local plant called Tuai Hin, a kind of banana. Our methods of making organic cat litter starts with comparing Saba banana peels and Shuka banana peels. Then we will mix them with agricultural waste and other community wastes that are available in the community, such as bagasse, coffee grounds, green tea grounds from coffee, and ashes from palm oil waste incinerator.
For the clumping test, I weighed the cat litter that had been injected with the solution. For the cat urine odor absorption test, I used ammonia solution instead of the cat urine, and I tested the amount of ammonia that evaporated by placing a wet blue litmus on paper on the top. In addition, let's look at the dust quantity test. I measured it with my naked eyes using black paper as a background and measured the light absorption with a spectrophotometer. As for the mold test, I just sprayed each type of cat litter with water and placed it in a damp place behind the house. Then, I counted the days that mold grew up.
As for the cost, it is only 6 baht per kilogram. The test results with cats show that the cats used this new cat litter immediately on the first day and did not have any allergic reaction. All in all, the results of an organic cat litter has good properties such as clumping, odor absorption, low dust content, and good antifungal properties.
This organic cat litter from banana peels is a product that uses leftover materials in the community from a large banana ship factory in the southern, which meets the BCG and zero waste requirements that support farmers' products.